Hi friend, welcome my channel Digital Remote Sensing. Today my topic how to multispectral data Landsat 8 supervised classification. Actually supervised classification through ROI collection. So let's start open Landsat 8 image and this image an ROI collection at first. So open the image, the Landsat 8 image. There is the Landsat 8 and RGB color. So Landsat 8 the 11 band, there is the 1 to 11 band, no 5, 4, 3 and load RGB. The open this image. So next is the overlay region. Create a ROI. So overlay to ROI of interest. So ROI of interest, create a features file and create a features. So there is the dense forest. So create this polygon. There is the image. So create this vegetation. So there is the dense forest, and there is this color of green. And next is there is the open forest, dense forest, and there is the next is the sand. So there is the sand. So new region and create. There is the sand. There is the sand. So name change is the sand. Sand is the white color. New region and next features is the create. There is the agricultural land. There is agricultural land and create the polygon agricultural land. So new region. So there is the agricultural land. There is the color is the yellow. New region and next is the water body. There is the ocean. There is the ocean. new region, and next is the river. So name change is the river, and color change is the blue to new region, and next is the woodland. So there is the woodland. Create the polygon, zoom. So there is the woodland. Woodland. There is the color of the cyan, and next is the lowland. There is the lowland. There is the lowland. The open forest. So there is the open forest, new region. So there is the open forest. Open forest. There is the color of green one. So there is the several of features, and let's start to file. File to save ROI. Select all item and use output name. ROI. Open and save. There is the collection of ROI. Let's start how to supervise classification. So go to the classification and supervised. At first there is the classification of the minimum to minimum distance to mean. Input classification input name of the input image and sectoral subset, and okay, there is the select all item, and next is the output name. Output name is the minimum distance to mean. minimum distance to mean. Okay. And okay. So complete this run and open this minimum distance to mean classification. So grayscale and new display and load data. There is this classification image of this particular this image. So link these two image, link display and okay, there is the link. So there is the particular place and image, and there is the sand, and there is the sand. Water body, there is the water body. Yellow is the agricultural land, and there is the agricultural land, and this is the river or channel. There is the water body. Next is the this is the there is the ocean, and there is the ocean. Dense forest here and dense forest. There is the cyan is the fellow land and fellow land here. There is the woodland and there is the woodland. So complete so water body. This is the classification of the minimum distance to mean. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and latest update remote sensing and GIS related work.